to call it the Crossroads, actually, because 4th Street used to be Route 66, and of course Central is, the newer Route 66. So it's the only place in the US where Route 66 crosses itself. It's definitely pretty amazing to be in this location here on like 4th and Central in downtown Albuquerque, because we're just, the most metro area of the entire state. This is like the biggest city in New Mexico, and downtown, is going to be the heart of any city. My name's Joel Brandon. I am originally from St. Louis, Missouri, but I've been living here most of my life. I'm the leader of the Mothership Alumni. That's my business here in Albuquerque. Going on about 7 years now that I've been in business. It's definitely been quite a ride. Basically what we do here is we're an art gallery, and then we do studio rentals for like artist studio rentals. And then we do like services for artists as far as like fine art prints and like sticker printing, and then t-shirt printing. So this is our screen printing room. This is got a 6-head press, workstation. So this is where we print all of our shirts that you see in the gift shop. There's just some new ones we just did for Jim. And that's definitely like his personality. If you ever met him, he is definitely like always like smiling and laughing. He always has this crazy laugh. But yeah, it's just about being positive, and he's definitely like a super positive guy. I've never known him to be really down in the dumps or anything. And so yeah, that's why we just came up with Smile Now, Smile Later. Right now I have about like 30 artists that I'm representing, and just recently been trying to like switch to that model a little bit more of actually just representing just a set number of artists. This is the solo show from Slacker Bear. She's our featured artist for this month. So these 3 walls are all her art. I'm pretty excited about that. Yeah, it's called the Land of Forgotten Dreams. And it's just all about her just not really having to be able to have much of a childhood when she grew up, because she was just always expected to clean up and do like the woman's work. And when the boys in her family got to play video games and like watch cartoons and stuff, and she kind of living her childhood as an adult. Monthly, we're having like art show openings with our artists, and then that's kind of featuring like artist idea, their like basic ideas, or just like making a statement on the first 3 walls in our gallery. And then after a month, then that art gets cycled into like the hallways, and then we have like bring in a new one of our artists. So each month we're showcasing a new artist and trying to release like some merchandise and stuff with them. And then their art pretty much stays up here, in the gallery for about pretty much until the end of the year. So it's not like we have to return the art immediately. They're actually able to have a place that they, where they can show people art and send people that are interested in their art for like pretty much the entire year, like indefinitely, all the time. We have like all the means of production as far as like our own merchandise, with the print stickers and t-shirts, which is huge, just because just when I first got started, it was just so expensive to get like this merchandise made, and just never made sense. Yeah, like I said, we're definitely super DIY, so like to try to build all of our shelves and like upcycle as much stuff as we can, because we just don't have a lot of capital to put to buying brand new stuff. So we try to save a lot of things, and just fix as much stuff as we can on our own. What I enjoy about Albuquerque is just like the opportunity. I feel like a lot of there's just so much like untapped potential. If you like work hard here, then like you're really able to make like more of like an impact. What we have here is like the artistic talent, and I really just believe that that's really where you need to like start from, is that authenticity. I think we definitely have that, and so if we can make that work here, I feel like we can do that anywhere.